Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a publish-ready file and the right Vimeo account. Upload your MP4 and watch processing until it shows 100%, otherwise captions won't attach correctly. While you wait, prepare an SRT or VTT file or enable auto-transcription in Vimeo if available on your plan. Once processing completes, navigate directly to the video settings so you can add captions without losing your place. Make sure your transcript timestamps match the video's final cut. You'll add captions in the Captions or Subtitles tab inside Settings. Upload your SRT or VTT, assign the correct language label, and select if captions are closed or burnt in. If you use Vimeo's auto-transcribe, check and correct errors. Speech recognition misses names and punctuation. Use the editor to move segments, adjust start/end times, and split long lines so reading speed is comfortable. Once synced, preview playback in the Vimeo player to verify timing and readability before publishing. You finish by saving and enabling the default subtitle track or letting viewers toggle captions in the player. Export the corrected SRT or VTT so you can reuse it across platforms or embed it with the video. If captions don't appear, don't panic. Reprocess the video to refresh metadata, re-upload your subtitle file ensuring timestamps match the final video, and clear cache or test a different browser. If problems persist, rename the file and upload again to force a fresh import.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.